Real quick update. My battery in the car about to die, so I gotta move pretty fast. But got my third brake light installed. As you can see. I ain't gonna nobody hit the brake, so I'm just gonna do the turn signal. That's the left turn signal. Then hit that right. Yeah, boy. And yeah, so got that thing installed, man. See it doing. And my Mercy brake flasher right there. I don't know why my Mercy flasher went out. I don't know. Maybe it's the steering column. But as long as I'm holding it in, it'll work. But when I let it go, it'll stop. So I don't know. I had to figure that out tomorrow. Got dark on me. But did want y'all to see that it is in there. Do another video once probably maybe Sunday, my next off day, with my opera lights. And what else? My LED. These right here to be LED. Them LED bulbs to come, they still ain't got here, man. They been in Memphis and shit the 8th. I don't know what they waiting on to come. But these LED bulb and my tag light LED bulb. Got dim that is. And I already put my side marker LED lights in there up on the bottom. They already LED. What cool about these junks is, what I like about them junks, when you turn your flash on in the front, them junks turn orange, like the factory. Hold on. Cut my flash on. See them junks blink orange, like the factory. But turn that flash off. Turn that flash off, just have your regular headlights on, the park lights or whatever. Them things white again. I dig that code there. But yeah, just want to do that little update right there. And probably Sunday, do another update on the opera lights. I'm gonna stick them about right there. And see, I kind of got these on here to match the park light. When you hook these joints up, they white, but then if I use my turn signal, them joints turn orange, like my lights at the bottom or the front. That's why I kind of dig that. That's a little different. That's another reason why I like that. And this right here, it's a sequential. Get in the light. Gotta sell that, man. I can't even use it. Gotta have 3 bulbs back there. The colors only got 1. So, brand new sequential kit. Get somebody with a Mustang, Camaro, or any kind of car that got 3 tail lights in the back. It'll work for you. Anything with 3 tail lights in the back, it'll work for you. But yeah, I paid $45 for that kit, the sequential tail light module kit. I just want my money back, or either some would. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all, man. Got that third brake light installed, and I got my LED lights up front installed. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.